So today we have a super simple, easy, steady track recipe meal that you can do at home. All right, so we're gonna be doing ginger beef with sauteed Napa, cabbage, and peas. First thing, we have our extra lean ground beef. I'm using 93.7, 93% lean, 7% fat. I have my nice spice blend that you can find that in the description, the full breakdown. Also, I have some shredded Napa cabbage, peas, easy to do, just get a bag of frozen peas. Little green onions for garnish. I have my salt, pepper, garlic mix right here and a little bit of ginger puree.